Hi my plant-based viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to show you how I make a simple black beans nugget. So stay tuned for this video. So guys, I made nuggets before. You can check that video out. I'll put the link above. Black eyed peas nugget, and that was super simple. I added minimal ingredients, but for this one I'm just spicing it up a bit. So in this bowl I have some chopped bell peppers, onion and parsley. I'm not doing too much. And here I have some ground black pepper, red pepper and paprika, and some scallion. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to use my food processor to process my beans. And my beans were soaked overnight and it's 1 cup. So I have my food processor, so I blended the seasoning in there, so I didn't want to rinse it out. So I'm just going to add the beans. So now I have a cup of water. I'm going to add it to the bowl and I will mix it. So I will mix it for a couple of times until it's smooth. I pour the mixture into my bowl. So now I'm going to add my ingredients. I have some chopped bell pepper, parsley and onion. Paprika to it. You can add any spice that you like, any spice. I have some red pepper. I like spice, so I like to add spice. And these are not so hot, guys. I have black pepper. I'm gonna add some of this, just a little bit. I'm gonna add some salt. So I'm just gonna combine everything together now. So guys, I'm going to add a little bit of flour. The other recipe I didn't add any flour. So this is about 1/4 cup. I don't want it to be too floury. I want it to be more peas. So my scallion, I'm just going to chop them up a bit. And I just add it to the mixture. I love flavor, guys, so I like to add as much natural seasoning as possible. So I have the pot on, so I'm going to add some oil. Top like a spoonful of the mixture, and I'm just going to put it in here. So I'll do that. You can shape it however you choose to, as big as you want. You can do it your way. Good amount of oil because it's covering the mixture. And so I have the stove on medium to low heat because I want it to soak in and so that it's not raw. So you can turn it down after it gets a little color so that it's all good and ready to be eaten. So you allow them to fry until, so I'm just going to check on these. They have been frying for about 2 minutes. Just going to flip them on the other side so that each side can be golden brown. At this stage too, what I'll do is to turn on the stove a bit because I want it to cook to perfection, to fry to perfection. So I allow this to fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. So in total probably 5 to 6 minutes. Here is the final product, guys. These are my black beans nuggets and they're real crispy and nice. I love them. You can also have it like as a breakfast side dish, or you can just eat it like that, or you can have it as a meat substitute for a main dish. So you make some sauce and pour it over it. So this is how I enjoy my beans in different ways. So stay tuned to my channel for more and more plant-based recipes. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Try these recipes. Thank you for viewing.